Actually, I'm from Nepal. Currently, I'm studying Diploma of Nursing from IHNA in Heidelberg. I'm really excited to join my career and my study with IHNA. Choosing nursing as my career is one of the best options in my life in a best possible way to help the people to get their health knowledge and confidence. And IHNA will really help me to possibly focus on my career by more clinically and focused on people's health. Being from non-clinical background, IHNA had really helped me to focus me more clinically, and I am able to practice hand-on-hand, which really helped me to enhance my career in nursing. During my subacute placement, I came across a patient with breathing problem, and I was able to escalate to my body nurse, which really helped me to gain my confidence more clinically. I realized at that moment that IHNA really helped me to gain confidence in the health sector, as I was able to escalate those things to my body nurse, which she really appreciated later on. On completion of Diploma of Nursing, I have planned to work as an enrolled nurse and continue my study and knowledge further pursuing the bachelor programs. If you choose nursing as your career and you are really passionate about you, then I would suggest you to give a chance to IHNA, and it will be really helpful for your clinical careers and your persuasion in nursing. It will help you to gain confidence and more clinical knowledge. IHNA will be a great opportunity for you guys to land on the health sector.